Hey guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making air fryer Cajun shrimp boil. To begin, we're using a medium-sized onion and we're going to cut it into chunks. Then we are pressing 2 cloves of garlic, or you can also mince them. Fresh Italian parsley for color and flavor. Corn on the cob, we are using half of it and we're going to cut it into 1-inch pieces. 1 Italian spicy sausage. One red potato, and we are cutting the potato into thin slices. It needs to be cut into thin slices for the potato to cook along with the shrimp. Eight jumbo shrimp, clean and deveined. Now in a mixing bowl, add in the potatoes, corn on the cob, half of the medium-sized onion, the clean shrimp, pressed or minced garlic, spicy Italian sausage, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, a splash of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of Italian parsley. Mix until everything has been coated in the Cajun seasoning. Then transfer onto aluminum foil. We're going to close it up just like so. Then we're going to use another piece of aluminum foil and cover it up because we want to trap the heat. Whoa, wait a minute. I forgot an ingredient, a very important ingredient. Let's back up a minute. And the last ingredient, the almost forgotten ingredient, 1 tablespoon of salted butter. Now we can close this thing up. Set the temperature in your air fryer to 450 degrees and set the time to 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, if everything goes according to plan, your air fryer Cajun shrimp boil should look like this. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, air fryer Cajun shrimp boil. Enjoy, buen provecho, thanks for watching, see you guys next time.